Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself a peanut punch without using any alcohol inside of it. Hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's a request for this special peanut punch. Someone requested and I said, you know what, I need to make it. So guys, I did deliver what the person requested. So guys, hopefully you love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Get a copy of my cooking book. It's on Amazon. The price will change to your price. Thank you so much for all of what you've been supporting Chef Ricardo. Be leaving your comments, watching the video. It's amazing. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe then and leave your comments. Thank you so much. See you next time. Chef Ricardo. Bye-bye. Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking. Well guys, we all know that we are making ice cream, we're making this, we're making drinks, we're making all sort of stuff. But someone requests, this one is a requested punch. The person said, can I make a punch with no alcohol? I said, yes, I can do it. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always cook and I will make one for you. Today we're going to show you how you can make this drink at home without put any alcohol inside of it. Right here, this is my smoothie blender one I normally use. You see a lot of time in my video. Here it is, right here. My glass is right here. I want you guys to look very carefully. I got 1 pack of oats, which I see is only you don't show me much kilo on it. I was looking for a kilo, but this is just a pack of oats. I'm gonna remove a piece of paper from it and pour it straight inside of my glass. I did a video like this, similar like this before on my YouTube channel. This is just 1/4 cups of oats straight inside of the glass, inside of the smoothie blender. Sorry about that guys, I started to mess up my table already. What's going on, Chef Ricardo? Rob, lovely. Alright, nice. So we are going on really good so far, and I want you guys to recognize what's going on. That's the oats inside of this smoothie part of it. And next thing what I'm gonna do now is basically I'm gonna simple get some peanut. Alright, nice. That's the peanut. I have almost half glass of peanut straight inside of it. Lovely and nice. Then next thing, this is some mixed spice. 3/4 teaspoon of mixed spice straight inside of it. This is some grated nutmeg egg, 1 tablespoon inside of it, and a little pinch. Lovely and nice. Then this is some cinnamon, just a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong, be careful. Straight inside of it, just like that. I have some, this is Jamaican Malta. You don't need to use Guinness, and I did a video before, and that's why I use Malta. So this is Malta. Nice and lovely. Pour it straight inside of it like this. That's half glasses of Malta. Then this is Nutriment. Some people call it Supergen in Jamaica. That's what we call it. Nice and lovely. So right here, as you can see, I just finished blending it. And as you can see, that's the beauty. You want the blender to be free up inside of it. Just like this. As you can see exactly what I'm doing right here, guys. So basically, as you can see, right here, this is my glass. With a shake, I don't even need to shake it anymore or do anything else to it. basically pour straight inside of it, just like this, guys. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Remember, we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different items in this one punch. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you guys. This one is a peanut punch. No alcohol peanut punch. Anyone can drink it, Christian can drink it, anyone can drink it. If you're allergic to alcohol, you can drink this one because there's no alcohol inside of the Malta. The Malta is fine. So guys, hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. I know that you might see another peanut recipe going on. I need to use up my peanuts because I have a lot left back. So guys, thank you so much for watching the cooking program and see you next time. Chef Ricardo cooking. Bye bye.